no decision to pull out of the Barisan Nasional. Terlebih dahulu, Parti Maju Sahabat SAPP mengucapkan berbagai terima kasih kepada orang ramai yang telah memberikan sokongan moral kepada parti kita sejak pengumuman cadangan undi tidak percaya kepada Perdana Menteri pada 2 hari lalu. Website SAPP termasuk incoming email berbilangan beribu. Pemimpin-pemimpin SAPP mendapat ratusan SMS sehingga banyak pemimpin kita tidak sempat menjawab semua SMS ataupun email. We hope the people who have sent us email of support and SMS understand. We wish to record our support, record our appreciation for your encouragement and support. We are touched and encouraged by the overwhelming response. We have Malaysians and other Sabahans from all over the world, seperti dari United Kingdom, Brunei, Amerika, Australia, yang email sokongan mereka. Walau macam manapun, hari ini kita bermesyuarat dan seperti yang kita umumkan pada Delegates Conference 7 hari bulan Julai, bahawa kita mengadakan satu convention mengenai isu-isu Sabah. Details convention itu, isu-isu itu masih sedang dikumpul. Walau macam manapun, beberapa prinsip telah kita meluluskan pada majlis tertinggi tadi. We have given copies to the media. We have given copies to the media. Declaration of the people of Sabah for change in the country. Whereas our mission is to establish a trustworthy government and a progressive, just and harmonious society. Declaration of the people of Sabah for change in the country. Whereas our mission is to establish a trustworthy government and a progressive, just and harmonious society. Whereas the people of Sabah express our solidarity and friendship with other Malaysians. It is hereby declared that the government shall be of the people and based on good governance and civil society and non-racial politics. Politik bukan perkauman, based on a progressive, just and harmonious society. Number 2, that Sabah shall have political autonomy, whereby the government shall be formed and run by the people of Sabah. Number 3, that Sabah and other oil-producing states shall be entitled to the petroleum royalty of 20%. That the federal territory of Labuan shall be returned to Sabah and governed as a special region. That unfair and imprudent federal laws which have been extended to Sabah and federal departments which are to the detriment of the state shall be reviewed. Number 6, that Sabah shall be given fair and just participation in the federal administration, civil service and private sector, and that the federal governments in Sabah shall, as far as possible, federal departments in Sabah shall, as far as possible, be headed by local Malaysians. Number 7, that the federal government and the state government shall put in sufficient resources, political will and leadership in solving the illegal immigrants problem in a firm but humane manner, with emphasis on regional cooperation and smart partnership. Regional cooperation Number 8, that the federal and state governments shall work together on redressing the inbuilt structural imbalances in the economic and social structure of the country affecting Sabah and other states. Ini adalah satu deklarasi yang diluruskan oleh Majlis Tinggi, dan ini kita akan bentangkan dalam convention Sabah akan datang. Boleh ambil ini? Boleh. Sama. Mengenai kedudukan kita dalam Barisan Nasional, beberapa cadangan telah dibincang. Various ideas. We take into consideration a number of things being said by Barisan Nasional leaders yesterday. We noticed that the onslaught, the propaganda onslaught against SAPP and myself has already started. In regard to the no confidence motion by our 2 members of parliament against the Prime Minister, Supreme Council decision is to endorse the no confidence motion against the Prime Minister. Soalan?
Was it a unanimous agreement among all the...
It was a consensus. It was a consensus.
How was the stand of your deputy, Dato' Raymond Tan?
Dato' Raymond Tan, being Deputy Minister, of course, has expressed his view in respect of the options available to the party. Our stand before we make the decision is, will all of us accept whatever decision that will be made? Bahawa all Supreme Councillors will accept whatever decision to be made by the Supreme Council, irrespective of their personal views. Having agreed on that all of us will accept the decision whatever. The decision is that we shall endorse the proposed vote of no confidence by our 2 members of parliament against the Prime Minister. We feel that the question of SAPP withdraw or not was not a question that was originally before in the agenda of the Supreme Council meeting. So there was no decision as to that. That there is no decision to pull out. There is no, okay, put it that way, Ruben. There is no decision to pull out of the Barisan Nasional.